Happy Monday from Malta. This is Mistra Bay, an interesting and pleasant bay that's actually completely empty on this Monday morning. It is 9:15 a.m. on this 22nd of January, and it is day 4 of my Malta beach adventures, and unfortunately the last day, as I have a plane to catch at 3:45 p.m. So, but still I want to explore a few beaches that are close to my hotel, and this one is one of those. Less than 2 kilometers from the hotel that I was staying in at St. Paul's Bay, Porto Azzurro. So it's actually quite good. I mean, I didn't see this beach and bay on the top 10 lists around the island, but it's quite convenient actually. It's a bit of a hike to get here, or a bit of a longer way from the road also, but it's worth it, and I think it's quite decent. So this is between actually St. Paul's Bay and Mellieħa, and we can also see Cabra and Il-Bajja on the other side, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, can you believe that it's only 12 degrees Celsius in the air, but there is no wind? It definitely feels like 20 and above, because I'm not cold at all, and I'm only in my swimsuit. And sea temperature, the satellite temperature of the sea, 16.7 degrees, same as yesterday. And yes, in this episode I'm sharing interesting facts about Malta, and for this episode the fact is that Malta will celebrate 60 years of independence this year, 2024, on the 21st of September, as it actually became independent from the United Kingdom back in 1964. However, they still have the British king or queen as their monarch, as the main ruler of the country, but it's only on paper because Malta is a democracy and they have their own government. So that was the fact. So Malta was once British, but throughout the history there were many different civilizations here that were ruling, including the Romans, the Phoenicians, many throughout the history, as Malta is a very strategic, has a very strategic place in the Mediterranean Sea, right in the middle of it. So let's then start the day with a swim. And thank God it's Monday to start the week in this beautiful way. In January, yes, beach adventures in January in Malta. That's right. Let's see how it is in the water. Are there sand mixed with stones, as I suspect? Look at it, it's beautiful. So it is mainly stony, this bay here. So it's gonna be a challenge to take a swim, as there are some waves also coming in. But I'm gonna do my best, as it is also quite shallow as well. Yes, there are not so many sandy beaches in Malta. I have visited a few of them in previous days, but it is mostly a stony and rocky coastline here in Malta. And here we have also some seaweed also as well this morning, but that's okay. I need to be aware of the bigger stones actually, so I don't hurt my feet. Oh, that's a big wave. All right, there are many stones around, so very shallow here at the beginning, but we will go in anyway, because I really want to start off the day with a nice swim here in Malta at Mistra Bay. Try to find a place where there are not so many big rocks. Alright, I think here we can do it. So let's go! I'm not sure what you've seen, but it is pretty unclear, this. And I got some seaweed all over my body now. But yeah, not the best swimming water here, to say the least, this morning. But I will explore a few more beaches later and check them out as well. But that's a wrap from Mistra Bay here in Malta, close to St. Paul's Bay. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!